graphing square root function. The input of square root function x must always greater or equals to 0, as square root negative is undefined. Therefore, we make a table start from 0, 1, 4, 9, as these are all perfect square numbers. We find the corresponding y values for each x. For square root 0 is 0, square root 1 is 1, square root 4 is 2, and square root 9 is 3. We proceed to plot these points and draw the curve. 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2, and 9, 3. We draw a smooth curve to connect all these points. The domain of square root x is referred to the input of x values. Starting from 0, x tends to positive infinity, while the range of square root x refers to the output of f(x) from 0 to positive infinity. We move to sketch the graph of square root negative x. The input of negative x must always greater equals to 0. This implies x is always less or equals to 0. That means we only can substitute 0 or negative real numbers into x. Substitute x as 0, -1, -4, -9, as these numbers are perfect squared when timed with -1. Add in 0 into square root of negative x, we obtain 0. Add in x -1, we get square root of -1, which is equal to 1. Add in x equals to -4, we get square root of -4, which is equal to 2. Add in x equals to -9, we get square root of -9, which is equal to 3. Plot these points and sketch the graph. 0, 0, -1, 1, -4, 2, -9, 3. We draw a smooth curve to connect all these points. The domain of square root negative x is all the real numbers that less than or equal to 0. Since the minimum value of square root negative x is 0, therefore the range of square root negative x is from 0 to positive infinity.